This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and to run your business.
Hey everyone, Jessica Whitaker here with my favorite model on earth, Chelsea.
Hi.
You guys might recognize Chelsea because we've probably done 6, 10, 25 videos together. And this is our first time shooting in her amazing apartment. Her space is so beautiful. We set up a seamless paper backdrop, this beautiful red color. I'll have this link down below. You can get it on Amazon, both the backdrop and the paper, $30 or so. Let's get into it.
A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain.
So we're gonna do some lens effects. So we have a Ziploc bag. We have a lens filter. This is just a clear one that goes on my 35mm as basically a lens cap because I lost the lens cap. And I just can't be bothered to take 2 minutes to buy one on Amazon, you know? So we have this, that then we can put some Bomb.com on it. We'll start out kind of simple. The crystal. This is actually Urban Outfitters, $29.99 each. Ooh, Chelsea's really living it large. You guys, Chelsea has 6 of these. Hold it like right up to the camera. If you feel the glass scratching against each other, that's good. That means you're getting the right effect. It might be a permanent effect, but it's kind of the vibe, you know? So the closer you get to it, the more light that will bounce. Amazing. Okay, wait, love. I'm just gonna bring maybe a little bit of the bag, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit. Isn't there a song? I don't know. So, I'm holding it where the crystal's on the left side, and then on my left side at least, and then the bag's going across the bottom, and then I'll have Chelsea more towards the upper right-hand side. So then this is framing her nicely. Yay! Stop, literally so good. Love. Stop, your haircut, perfect, amazing. Stop, queen. Oh my gosh, love. So I switched over to the 50mm because we're doing these photos of Chelsea on the couch, and the light right now is so perfect. I mean, you guys will see, and you might want to take a pause before you see them because you might go into cardiac arrest. They're so cute. Okay, so. Love. Like, doesn't she just look like an icon? Do you know what I mean? So now we're gonna do some of Chelsea on the couch, but I'm gonna shoot from above, and I'm switching to my 24 Sigma Art 1.4. I typically don't use this for portrait photography, though I do have a full video where I just use the 24mm, my widest lens, for an entire session, and I'll have that linked up on an iCard. But for these shots, I'm doing in 24 so that I can just have a lot more range, whereas with a 35 it might still be a little bit too cropped in, and I don't want to stand on anything just because she's not really like that much higher up than I am. I'll just have to go in and crop for this, but it gives you a lot more flexibility, so that's why we're using that. I love the velvet. I love how we brought this and everything, and we're like, let's just do something on the couch. I knew that was gonna happen though, and it always does, and it's perfect. So whenever it comes to shoots, you always just have to go with the flow, try different things, experiment, you know? So we're gonna do some close-up ones now of Chelsea, super hazy. So time for our favorite. A little bit of Balm.com on, just a tiny bit is all you need. And then I kind of just do it in like a half circle to start out with. You could do it all the way around the lens, but you just wanna have a tiny bit in the middle just so you have an area to focus, like a focus point. Okay, so since it is so bright, I'm gonna be shooting my ISOs on 100, but I want my f-stop to still be wide open at 1.2, and I'm gonna be shooting, I think, in mostly autofocus for this. And like cropped in really close. Zoe, where did you go? Oh, hey. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the aperture back to 1.2. Oh my gosh, Chelsea, oh, amazing. And like your eyes are right in the shadow, but in the best way. Like they're really cool. Oh wait, love that too. Wait, love, oh my gosh. Yeah, perfect. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, amazing. Lift your face up ever so slightly. Yeah, beautiful. Love, love. All right, everyone, that was our tutorial. Chelsea, how are you feeling?
Really good. I think we got some good photos. The light behaved for us.
If you guys want to see the full set of images, we will have them linked down below on my website. And if it wasn't already apparent, Chelsea is a professional model here in Seattle. So if you're in the Northwest, you need somebody to work with for your campaign, your commercial shoot. She does like everything. Be sure to check her out. Again, her Instagram is here. and linked down below. I'll also have my free photography Facebook group, Build and Bloom, linked down below. It's where you can connect with models in your area. It's free. It's one of Facebook's biggest photography communities. It's full of very kind, encouraging photographers. So that's down below. Chelsea's Instagram is down below. Be sure to subscribe for more photography tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.